Hello, my name is Marcus. I'm from Alpha Laser in Germany. We're here at the Tagman Die and Mold show in India, here in Mumbai. Together with our partner Laser Technologies, we're showing the Alpha Laser ALIN system. It's a cooperation between Laser Technologies and Alpha Laser. Parts of this machine is actually made in India, and we're very happy to show you the micro welding system for mold repair. It's a high precision 200 watts yak laser for mold repair welding. Machine is equipped with a turn and tilt optic, so you can decline the laser beam in any angle. That allows you to reach any angle of the mold without turning the mold. We have a touch screen. You can set programs. There is an ergo wedge on the microscope to adjust to the ergonomics of the user. It's a 3-axis joystick control motion system. All 3 axes can be controlled by one joystick, so that's X, Y, and Z already in the user's hand. So refocusing and repositioning is very easy. Alpha Laser is manufacturing laser welding machines for more than 30 years now, and all our machines are made to the highest standards and highest quality. We are very well known for long-lasting machines, so if you're interested in a trouble-free laser welding machines for your production, we recommend the Alpha Laser. Thank you very much.